Welcome to this tutorial on how to add your mobile number to your Facebook account. Step 1. Open the Facebook app. Open the Facebook app on your mobile device. Step 2. Go to your profile. Next, click on your profile icon located on the top right corner of your screen. Step 3. Click on the three lines. Click on the three lines icon in the top right corner of your screen. Step 4. Select Settings and Privacy. From the drop-down menu, select Settings and Privacy. Step 5. Select Settings. Select Settings from the options displayed. Step 6. Personal Information. Select Personal Information from the list of options. Step 7. Add phone number. Click on Phone Number, and then Add Phone Number. Step 8. Enter your phone number. Enter your phone number in the space provided and click Add Phone Number. Step 9. Verification code. You will receive a verification code via SMS. Enter the code in the space provided and click Continue. Step 10. Privacy settings. Choose the privacy settings for your phone number by selecting the option that best suits you. Step 11. Done. Congratulations! You have successfully added your mobile number to your Facebook account. That's it. Adding your mobile number to your Facebook account is a simple process that can be completed in just a few steps.